Well, good morning guys. We're doing something a bit different today. So this is our second day in Airlie Beach and we are booked in for an ocean rafting tour. And see those yellow boats behind us? That's what we're launching out on today. We've just loaded up with our wetsuits because today's, yes, they've worded it up to be a bit rough. They've been asking us if we've got back problems or any broken bones or had surgery recently or anything like that, because unfortunately it's supposed to be pretty rough out there today. It's blowing 20 knots out there, 2-meter swells, so it's going to be rough. And conveniently our boat is called Wipeout, so hopefully we won't wipe out today and it'll be amazing around those islands. Hopefully they can find us a decent spot to have a bit of a snorkel where it's not too rough, and we'll see you out there.
Our wetsuits drenched, thatched, so wet, and they look massive too, don't they? Oh, good luck to us. We got our copies though, so that's good. So that's something.
Now, a few things. Number one, weather report. So we can see, got a bit of sun, stoke. Out there though, we have a bit of wind. It's about 20 knots last I looked. So that means there's going to be some waves, there's going to be some lumps, there's going to be some bumps, there's going to be water outside and inside the boat. Alright, this is ocean rafting. As soon as you step up here, you have
We made it after an hour of chaos. How's your back feeling?
Broken. No, that was sick. I love that. That was fun.
Yeah. Now we're going for a hike up to Hill Inlet and then Whitehaven Beach and then having some lunch and then going for a snorkel.
So we've just stopped at our second stop for the trip. South Whitehaven Beach, I think it is. Just a 4-minute trip down from Hill Inlet where we were before. We've just smashed some lunch. It was bloody beautiful too, but I'll tell you what, the seagulls around here are hectic and they're right on people that are having their lunch. I got my bun taken out of my hand, so if you are going to have lunch here, definitely either have it on the boat or be very protective. But we've just found this little camping area, so you must be able to just come here by boat or kayak or whatever, have a bit of a camp up on the beach, and the area looks pretty cool. It's off the beach, out of the wind, and it's really cool. Have a look. Little cooking area. A few people here, surprisingly. Toilets up there as well. So if you've got your own boat or whatever, kayak, you want to do a bit of a trip, South Whitehaven Beach Campground is awesome. Gonna have a bit more of an explore and see what else is about. Well, after a sick day yesterday on Choppy McChop Central on the way back, where we copped an absolute slathering of salt water on the way home because the wind turned it up, today is a bit different. It is muggy as hell, so we decided we want to go for a swim. And we found a place called Cedar Creek Falls, and we started from the bottom, and now we're here. At the top.